Depending on the layout of a worksheet, in some cases there may be a lot of rows and columns that are not really necessary to figure out where are the differences and what difference to update. To make working more convenient and to give you a quick overview over the differences, we have built in a feature that is called Outline. I have loaded 2 workbooks already, they are matched, and we can click the Start button. Like in our example, all these empty lines, they are not really necessary and they may distract you from focusing on the actual differences. Go to Outlining, click on the drop-down menu, Enable Outlining, and let's assume you want to focus on missing columns and different rows. Click on the Outline icon, and the 2 worksheets are refreshed again and show you only what is relevant to update the differences. Let's make another example. Click on the drop down and let's say we want only focus on missing columns and missing rows. Close it and click on the icon and you only get these 2 elements. That's it, how to make it easier to focus on the relevant differences. Thank you for watching.